This video is about applying font changes and font effects. This is Word, Chapter 2, Level 1. So the first thing we want to do is to change the font of this document, and we're going to do Control A. Control A highlights the entire document. If a document is 10 pages, it would highlight all 10 pages. If it was 3 pages, and 1 page, it highlights the entire document. So we did a Control A. From here, we want to change the font, which is from Calibra. We want to change it to Cambria. So we're going to come here. If you let your mouse do the talking for you or walking for you, you can see that as you put your mouse in different places, it tells you what that icon is. So I'm going to go here to the font icon, and I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, and I'm going to come all the way down to Cambria. And by me having Control A, it changed the entire document. Now I'm going to change the font size from an 11 to a 14, and there we have it. So it changes all of that. Now that I've made my changes, I'm going to deselect. Deselect just means click anywhere where there is no pictures or words, and it turns the highlight off. There's a number of ways that you can change your font size without actually going here and using the font size here. I'm going to do Control A again to select the entire document, and then I am going to go here to decrease font size, and I'm going to click it one time. It makes it smaller. As you can see, it's a 12. If I do it again, it makes it 11. Do it one more time, it makes it a 10. And you can also increase font size. So here's my 11, 12, and I'm back up to 14. So you can use this. Again, you want to use your mouse, let your mouse tell you what those icons are. If you just place your pointer, don't click, just place your pointer on the icon, it will tell you what those icons are. Now I'm going to deselect, and I am actually going to type something and show you how to change your formatting of your text. You can do one or two things. You can type as you go, then select your text, and then you can change your font here to about 22, and it is just dealing with this particular font, and you can actually change to different types of font style here. So you can do that here. Or since this style is already on, I can press enter, put my name, and guess what? I'm typing with the style already there. So you can do one or two ways. Now, when we talk about font effects, we're talking about glossary of terms, and we're going to deal with the text effect. This is it right here. So we're going to deal with the text effect. We can come down here, and we're going to tell it what type of effect we want it to have. You can choose any kind. It could be shadow, or it could be something like this. And as you can see, when you deselect, it has the effect that you want. So this is the end of this lecture. We'll move on to the next lecture dealing with styles and style set.